Okay, after you have completed this assignment, you are going to move on to complete the blanket stitch sample. So go ahead and put this to the side. Make sure you put your needle away in the pincushion because you will be using a different needle for the blanket stitch assignment and for your thread monster. So if you look at this needle, the eye of the needle is way bigger than the little eye of this needle. And that's because the embroidery floss that you'll be using is a lot thicker. So go ahead and put this to the side. And then you need to measure out your embroidery thread. You got embroidery thread when you picked out your monster colors. And this is what you'll be using for the sample and for your monster. So you'll only be getting one of these, so don't waste it. Okay, so for this, you need to off of the spool, and it's suggested that you have at least 4 times the amount of thread as the length of your project. So this is the length of our project, this sample, which means I need at least 4 times it. So if I go like this, and this, and this is the size of 1, okay? So you need to multiply that by 4, so you should have lots of thread after you've counted that out. Remember, we talked about having an 1.5 arm length. You may want more than that. Probably will want a lot more than that for your felt monster. Okay, so from here, when you do your blanket stitch, you need to remember that we tie a knot in only 1 strand. So for our thread, when we did the button and our samples, you tied 2 ends together and put a knot in both. For this, you are only tying your knot in 1 thread. So I have my knot, and then I'm going to start here. You either want to start in this corner by the folds or this corner. It doesn't matter if you go this way or if you go this way, it doesn't matter. Okay, so then go ahead and watch the blanket stitch video. It's going to show you exactly how to do the blanket stitch, and make sure you are starting down here at the fold and you have your thread tail. Oops. So you have your knot. You may have to tie a couple of knots so that it sticks. Have your thread tail inside this pocket so that it's hidden. So do your blanket stitch all the way around. Make sure you watch the video, and remember, 3 before me. Watch the video 3 times, ask 3 classmates before you ask me. Okay?